So what's it all about today? I'm surrounded by 2 question marks. Well, I want to invite you to join us in a mystery. There are a few things that I can tell you so that you're going to get all organised. The way the mystery is going to work is that we're going to load up a different section of the quilt. You will need to get a little bit of preparation done beforehand because I think you want to start sewing straight away. So we're going to make a quilt, a small lap quilt about 44 inches by 50 something. It's slightly variable. And as I said, it's going to get loaded up onto the website so you'll be able to keep up. In advance of that, why don't you look into your fabric stash? We're going to use 2.5-inch strips of fabric. I bought these some time ago. You can see they were a batik jelly roll. So this is the sort of thing you want. You don't want light, medium, dark. You can just have a bundle of colours. How much do you need? Well, a jelly roll is 40 strips. The more you have, the more variety you have. You will have leftovers, but is that such a bad thing? You could make the quilt bigger, or you could just make a second one. So wander through your stash, find a range of fabrics that you like and cut them up into 2.5-inch strips and get yourself ready to join us for the mystery.